Rick Nieuwenhoven, Buy Investment Property Program. Hope everyone's well and healthy, having a great time. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you again what we're going to deliver this year. We've got those micro courses that are available for you. Hope you've already started and are learning. And as I've said, I love the magic number program. Have a play with that calculator. We're going to deliver you in-person workshops, virtual workshops. We've got a lot for you coming, industry experts that you can learn from. And don't forget the staff that we have here. We've hired the right people in the right seats to deliver the quality content that you're looking for. There's combined industry experience of probably over 100 years really in finance alone. Plus we've got general real estate agents, investment property experts, property manager who's been doing it for 20 years, plus our tax experts. We've got it all. And the reason I've got all those people is so you get the best quality of service possible. That's what our whole job is here. Have the right people in the right seats to deliver you the best service and the best education and content as possible. Subscribe to the course, enroll, it's all free. And as I've said before, please leave us feedback and ideas to how we can deliver more content to you.